Welcome to the ultimate guide to Webium.
It is the industry favorite WhatsApp marketing and automation software. Let's explore it. Visit Webium's website. We at Webium are the official Meta Tech partner. With the help of Webium, you can bulk message these kinds of message templates. Your customers can find your brand name and logo with a verified blue tick on the top. Plus, you can showcase the image, video, or even a PDF of your choice. With Webium, you can personalize the message sent by addressing it to your customer, and you can add clickable CTA buttons. Now let's explore its features. Webium is WhatsApp API with superpowers. No other kind of marketing delivers real results like Webium marketing does. Let's move on to the top features of Webium, beginning with official message broadcast. With this feature, you can reach to millions of customers. Message scheduling, you can schedule the messages you need to send at a specific time, even if you're not available. Message templates. You can create predefined messages with clickable buttons which can be sent directly, so that you don't have to write the same message again. Contacts and groups management. Add your contacts list and create anonymous groups to broadcast messages effectively. Blue tick branding. Send messages with your brand name even if your number isn't saved. It builds instant trust. Collab with team. You can assign customers and clients chats to your team members for better collaboration on a single WhatsApp number. Easy follow-ups. Set follow-ups and get instant reminders so that you can close the deal without any delay. Conversation analytics. View activity reports to understand how your messages are performing. Auto replies. Automate replies based on triggers like button reply, exact text, contained text, or set time for faster, smarter responses. You can also get custom chatbots created, add chat labels, and automate your chats with multimedia content. To get started with Webium setup, click here. Now fill out your details here and click on the sign up button. After filling out this form, Webium's team will contact you, and after a successful verification, you will receive Webium's credentials over your email. Now, click on the login button and fill out the corporate ID, agent ID, and password which you received on your email. Then click on Go to Dashboard. Now you have reached Webium Platform's overview. Here you can see your brand name with your phone number. You can check your WhatsApp's quality rating here. You can also set your business description, location, website, and other information that is to be shown to your customers when they chat with you. Here you can see the WhatsApp daily limit assigned by Meta to you. Initially, it is 1,000 per day, but based on your messaging activity, it automatically gets increased to 10,000 to 1 lakh, and then unlimited messages per day. Now, in order to start our messaging activity, we can head over to the Templates tab. Here you can see all the message templates which you have created. There are 3 kinds of message categories: utility, marketing, and authentication. For example, this marketing message template includes the text and clickable CTA buttons. In the footer, you can add your brand name. To create a new template, click here, type a unique template name, select the category, add header like media or text, add the body content which is mandatory, maybe footer and buttons to make your template message attractive. After you have created the template, before sending the messages, let's add the contacts. Here you can find the insights of your contacts like total contacts, saved groups, numbers, contacted last 7 days and last 24 hours. If you want to create a single new contact, fill the information here and then click on Add Contact. But if you want to add your contacts in bulk, then click on the Excel template button here and upload the same by adding your contacts. You can check out all your contacts by clicking on this and check out the anonymous contact groups here. You can add new contacts by clicking here Now let's start sending out the messages.
For this, click on the Campaigns tab. To send a message template to an individual, you can click here, select the contact number from the phone book, or type in the number yourself. Then choose the message template and click on the send button to send it immediately. For broadcasting, select the contacts group, then choose the group name and message template and click on the broadcast button. You can also schedule it for later if you like. Now, after broadcasting the messages, we can check out the conversation analytics on the Monitor tab. Here, you can click on the Send campaign to get the detailed reports, like is the message sent, delivered, or read. After monitoring, if you want to see the conversation with your customers, you can go to Chats tab. Here we see the recent contacts we have contacted. Oh, look, we got the response to our button reply. They loved it. Let's give them a reply back. You can either reply back manually or you can set auto replies as well. You can also see who has replied from your team. Like this message was sent by Sonia. Vabium makes collaboration easy with its chat and follow-up functionality. To assign chats, you can click here. Select the username and click Confirm. To assign the chat follow-up, click here. You can also add a note here to tell what this follow-up is about, and then click Confirm. Now, let's check out how we can create auto replies. Now let's head to Auto Replies tab. Here you can create and manage unlimited auto replies. To create an auto reply, click here. Select the message type you want to send, which could be a text, image, video, or audio. Now type the reply message that needs to be sent automatically. After that, select your trigger condition, which could be button reply, exact text that is received, if a paragraph received contains that text, date time in between for out-of-office replies, or date time in between for long weekends. You can select one of these and type the trigger condition. Then click on Create Auto Reply. Now you can see that our auto reply has been created. You can see all the auto reply logs that have been created till now. Oh, we just received a message. Let's head to Chats tab to see who it is. Oh, look, we didn't type anything, but Vabium sent an auto reply immediately. See here, this message was sent as an auto reply. Let's have a quick look on other Vabium features too. Like in Assign Chat, we can see who has been assigned for which chat. Under Quick Reply, we can create a quick reply which can be used in the chat section. By typing a slash, you will be able to see all the quick replies that you have set up. Just choose it and send. Similarly, under WhatsApp Manager tab, you can get insights into WhatsApp API, check out overview, phone numbers, insights, payment methods, flows, catalogs, template library, and message templates. So, this was Vabium's product overview with which you can broadcast and automate your WhatsApp and collaborate with your team smoothly. Ready to grow your business with Vabium? To talk to our sales team, call this number. And to get technical support, call this number.